Hello guys, good evening. I need to continue giving the answers from our quiz for part 1 or the first problem. Okay. So I hope you know already how to prepare for the column on class boundaries, how to compute for the XM, then how to compute for the XM times the FM po. So the first requirement is how to compute for the mean. So how do we compute for the mean? Summation of the midpoint times the frequency. So this is the column for midpoint, this is the column for the frequency. Do I correct? Yes po. So 3 times 5, 15, 8 times 10, that is 80, 13 times 12, that is 156 po. And so on and so forth. Then you can get a total of 525. Ayan po siya. Then you need to divide it by 40, which is the number of data. The answer is 13.13. Okay, so ni-round off po niya. For number 2, how to compute for the median. First, you should know, okay, where do you get the data po? So 40, yan po siya, divided by 2, that is 20. Okay, so 20, saan po natin kukunin po? So hindi sa 15 kasi kulang po siya. So dito po tayo sa may 27 po. So ang ating frequency is 12. Ayun po siya. So 20 minus the ascending cumulative frequency before 20, that is 15 po. Times the class width, which is 5, plus the lower class boundary, which is the 12 po, 10.5. Then the answer is correct, 12.58. For number 3, how do we compute for the mode? So let's evaluate the frequency. Ang may pinakamadaming frequency ay si class 11 to 15, which is 12. So dito natin kukunin po yung data po natin. D1 is 12 minus 10. D2 is 12 minus 5. Lower class boundary is 10.5. And the class width is 5 po. So ito po siya. Let's substitute the numbers from the given formula based on the module that I gave po. And the answer is 11.61. Now let's go to the second problem. Okay, so these are the data. Po siya. 3 times 10, 30, 8 times 4, 32. Then you need to total. The total is 550. 550 over 40, that is 13.75. So that is the mean. So check. For the median, so almost of you did not get the correct answer for the lower class boundary. It should be 15.5 po. Okay? So 20. 40 over 2, that is 20. Before 20, we have 17. Ayan po siya. The mode median, by the way, is 16. We can find the median from this group. Okay? 16 to 20. And the lower class boundary is 15.5. Ayan po siya. 20 minus 17, 13 over 16. So, check po. So, I hope we get the correct answer, 16.44. Now, let's go to mode. Ang may pinakamadaming frequency ay C 16 to 20 po, which is 16. And so dito natin kukunin yung data po natin. And the lower class boundary is 15.5. Check. Then for D1, that is 16 minus 3, 13. Check. 16 minus 7, that is 9. Check po. And the class width is 5. Okay, so I hope nakuha po natin. Then we can get 18.45. So I hope nakuha po natin and naintindihan po natin how to compute for the mean, median, and mode po. So, maraming salamat ulit po, my dear students po. So, the score of, by the way, Miss Justine Joy B. Soriano is 20/20 po. Thank you.